Hello. I need to tell you something about face mask. Boring, I know. But we do. Put one on your face, like so, when you go out. Squish it around your nose. And put it around your ear. Like so. It steams up your glasses, but at the end of the day, you've got to think safe. So, when you're finished using face mask, you take it off, like so, and you do this. Break that bit off like that, and do the other side like that. Because if you don't, this is what happens. Sid, the seagull, gets it around his wings and his neck, and it strangles him, or hurts his wing. And then we don't want that to happen, do we? So, what we do, think Sid, think seagull, think safe, and get it off. Like that. See? Now Sid, the seagull, is safe. Think Sid, think seagull, think safe. Bye bye.